Alright guys, I'm going to be doing a review on this here. These are pure mints. You can get these at the health food store. I got a pack because I wanted to see what it tastes like. So this is, as you can see, I don't know if you can see, it says vegan, gluten-free, diabetic, soy-free, Swiss made. So yeah, let's open this up. So these are wow, that's a strong packaging. Alright, let's open this up. So that's what they look like. Okay, there is the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. I'm going to see if I can get it more focused for you guys. That's made it more blurry. So, okay, so basically it's made of xylitol. Xylitol, maize dextrin, and citric acid, and natural tangerine flavor. So, as you can see, you can read there, non-GMO, all that basic stuff. Let's do a quick taste test. So I had the mojito one, and it actually was pretty good, so I'm kind of curious what this one tastes. So they're pure white. It's pretty good. Has a nice tangerine aroma, and yeah, it tastes pretty good. They taste sort of sweet, but it's not really sweet, so definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below. Don't subscribe to the channel. If you had to ask me which one tastes better, the lime or the orange, the orange has a more aroma to it. The lime has just a nice little mint and lime aroma, but this one's just more pungent in a way. Comes out more.